Hey everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I hope you can see me because I can't see myself. I'm using a different camera. So we are here today at, can you see that? The public library. I thought I wanted to see if they had any crochet books. I've heard a lot of people go to the library to get crochet books, and yeah, I'm curious. So why don't we go in together? I'm going to put my mask on. Masks are required again, which is okay with me. Anything that helps everybody stay safe is good by me. So I'll take you in with me. See you soon. Okay, so I just finished up at the library and I was shocked by how many crochet books they have. They have tons of them. So I'm sensing maybe a series of videos. Maybe we can do some review videos for these books because some of them look really, really good. Some of them look not so good. But we'll go through them one at a time, maybe over a course of videos. Little series of book reviews. And with that, I've got some shopping to do. So maybe I'll pick you up later if I see some yarn. Okay, bye. Okay, so I am back from the library. I got home and I was really surprised at how much they had there. They had a lot of really nice stuff. I guess I expected that they'd have some books from like the late 50s and early 60s, like doing some really very, very old school projects. I don't know. I guess I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't expect the selections to be quite so current, I guess is the word. So, I mean, they're not like published, you know, this year or anything like that, but fairly current. So the first one I got was this one. It's called Granny Squares, Over 25 Creative Ways to Crochet the Classic Pattern. So that looks really good, especially considering that tomorrow is Granny Square Week. I'm going to try not to make too much noise. It's a metal table, so. And this one is called Interlocking Crochet, which is something I've always wanted to try. So 80 original stitch patterns plus techniques and projects. So we're going to take a look at that one too. Set it down gently. This one looks really fun. Get your crochet on, hip hats and cool caps. I'm really excited about this one. I'm going to have to make some of the projects in here because I want to look hip and cool. Who doesn't? Let's see. I hope you're not hearing too much traffic noise, guys. It just happens. This one's called Crochet in Color, Techniques and Designs for Playing with Color. So this looks interesting. Love me some color. So I'm not going to show you the insides yet. This one, Crochet-opedia, the only crochet reference you'll ever need. It's written by Julie Aparka. The fact that her name is Julie makes me think, yes, this is the only one you'll ever need. Just kidding. I know, it looks good though. This one, I fell in love with as soon as I saw it. I saw this and I was just like, ah, I'm in love. 10 granny squares, 30 blankets, color schemes, layouts, and edge finishes for 30 unique looks. So I've already looked at this one. This might be the first review I do. I'm really loving this. And the last one that I picked up today, When Bad Things Happen to Good Crocheters, Survival Guide for Every Crocheting Emergency. That looks hysterical to me. I did flip through it a little bit, and yeah, I don't think we'll be disappointed with this one. It looks really fun. So that is what I picked up at the library. Those are the first 7 books that I'm going to review on my little crochet book review series. And I'm excited to get started. So I hope you'll join me along this little journey of all things crochet literary. And yeah, we'll check it out together and see if any of these books are worth having copies in your home. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Have a great day, and don't forget to look for the beauty in every day. Alrighty, bye-bye.